Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Goplus upgraded automatic pool cleaner. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Get your pool prepared for the coming water season. The 33 feet upgraded automatic pool cleaner can help you clean the pool floor and walls in a low noise and labor-saving way. The complete working system includes a fin-style TPU disc, a long-life vacuum diaphragm and adjustable sewage hoses, which need to be connected to an electric pump, not included, to provide suction power. You can turn the regulator valve to adjust the water flow and add weight to adjust the buoyancy, and then leave it in your pool for auto cleaning. The spinning TPU disc is adaptive to pool's bottom and walls with curvature, not for right angle walls and stairs. While the deflector wheel and roller stabilizer keep the vacuum cleaner stable underwater. What's more, there are complete accessories for convenience. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.